Hey guys, what is up? I am going to welcome to another video on this special day. We can finally play Roblox.
Yes,
our mom has been keeping it away from us
because someone did something they weren't supposed
to.
What was it?
Something. This map is always used for capture the hill.
Okay. I think Mommy might.
Okay, so
Boom. Capturing. And I have captured the hill. So guys, this is Phantom Forces.
I have a glowing AK-12.
It's Phantom Forces.
Dude,
I just got this up.
That is a kill.
I just stopped the game because my mom finally let us play.
How much time do you play?
It's super awesome. If you've never played Roblox, you should play. And if
David, get a timer.
have played Roblox, you should know how to play.
Okay.
They have the same timer.
So, leave a like and subscribe if you think Roblox is worth it.
And
it is worth it. It's so worth it.
Also, if
I don't even know that guy.
Please leave a like and subscribe. I won't judge if you do what you actually think is right. Do the right thing. It's awesome. Okay. Hi, Tap Joys.
Ow!
I did not see where that guy was. Okay. Tim, deploy on me.
I'm gonna deploy on you.
What do you want to play?
Hi, Tap Joys.
Lumber Tycoon?
Okay.
You can like. Oh no.
We are going on
Up into the poisonous sky.
Yeah, the sky looks kind of like. Wait. It's almost over. There's a tornado. That'll mean that the game is over. There's gonna be a tornado, guys. Watch out. Okay. Stuff like tornadoes doesn't happen in Roblox unless it's like a survive the disaster game, or a game where they purposefully added tornadoes. There will be no tornadoes. And look, it's lunchtime. Oh, hello, Tap Joys. Nice to drop in on you, eh?
Don't make it worse.
Ha ha ha. Everyone's laughing at your jokes.
Ha ha ha.
Oh!
Hilarious.
Down, reloading. Dude, I need to do that. That's so smart. Dude. I like to shoot the glass. It's fun.
Up the stairs.
Oh, come on. That's what you get for shooting the glass.
I have a golden revolver.
A golden revolver.
Actually, I just put the skin yellow on it. For both things.
Hey, that's a nice gun. It has frogs. Frogs are cool. Oh boy. Yeah, I am not good at this game, but it is so fun. I cannot stop. I must join. I must join. Help me. Let me capture it.
Yeah, that actually does look like a big.
Oh, that game
Hey,
melees me. Tim, we're gonna need some help at the hill. We're gonna need some help at the hill. Help at the hill.
Help at the hill.
Yeah, help at the hill. Spawn on me.
I'm at you somewhere.
On the roof. We need to get on the roof. There are so many people there. It is just everyone. Everyone loves the roof. The roof.
The roof is the best position to be at because well, it's easy to kill people from out there.
Yeah! As well, I was killed again. That's not fun. Have you ever been killed before? If you're watching this video, I'm guessing you have not. You on the roof, Tim?
I'm on the roof.
Okay. Right there! There's someone around there. Ah! And I was killed. That was a brilliant move, myself. Good job, me.
People like time to go up.
Sorry.
Up we go.
Ah! You again! Lady Plucia.
Lady Shadow.
I don't want to fall to my death. Please. Please don't let me die.
Ah!
Oh yeah.
Good
Oh wait,
job for
I
you,
have
Raven.
the laser already.
Oh, I should have spawned on you, David.
Huh?
I should have spawned on you, but I didn't.
Ah! Close range. I didn't see you. Lady Plucia again.
Ah!
I think I've just made my enemy. I think I have an enemy on Roblox, guys. She hates me. She hates
Who's Lady Lucia?
Lady Plucia.
Just go get hit by the guy. Ah! You got killed.
He's blocking our almost only way onto the roof.
Not the only way, but one of them.
He's blocking one of the ways up to the roof. Not a pleasant guy, is he? I'll go up there and distract them. If I can. Okay, there is so much stuff going on, I don't know what's happening. Have you ever felt that way? Probably have. I like pistols.
I'm gonna go back to assault.
I'm going where the AK-12 is going. Oh! Double kill! Headshot! Boom! Oh, I've almost leveled up. Ah. Did you spawn up here, Tim? Dead,
Oh.
dead, dead, dead. No! That kind of sucked. Hey, I assisted for 62 health away. Hey, Tim. You spawned on that guy. Nice. Tim, wait up. Da, da, da. I'm gonna shank you. Where are you? I need to shank you. Shank, shank, shank. Shank. Ah. I totally forgot where I was going for a second. Go up. Life ain't peaceful, babe. Yeah. Yeah. Oh!
Didn't
Whoa,
blow up.
whoa, 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 whoa. Too far!
Dude.
Did I surprise you? Oh! Tim, watch out. There's someone with an intervention right there. Right there. Right behind you. He's near. He's near. He's really close to you.
Oh. Ah.
Hey, I killed someone, Tim. 600. About 600 health.
What?
About 600 experience, and I've leveled up. And then I'm the Phantom Master. Not really. And you actually believed it. Oh, hey, Tim. Really loud out there, ain't it?
Ouch. Ah.
I'm something for people
Damn
to
it.
spawn. What? Oh! No! No, 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 no! Tim, you almost killed me.
No.
No!
And that was like one entire video. Well, guys,
Well,
bye.
now
and
y'all
I'll
know what
see you next
Phantom
time.
Forces is.
Oh wait, no, not yet.
It'll be a
I guess it really
crazy
information right
because
now. Politics is. Well, trade-ins.
I don't have enough to buy the key to any of these cases. And I have 235k.
Do you have a mother yet or a dad yet?
Start a case.
You look good in that outfit.
And buy case keys. Start a case.
Deploy. Where?
Sorry, case inventory. Unlock container. Select item. Use key. What do I get? What do I get? What do I get? Hey! Okay, 12. That's good. Okay, my skin. Equip skin. Slot 1 burgundy. 2 burgundy.
Do you have a house yet?
Hey, look, it's a
family?
tab.
Wait, are you in the orphanage?
You aren't on my team, Tim. That
Dang it.
skin
Ow.
suck. I just deployed. I didn't squat and deploy. It's so sad. The round usually ends in the daytime.